Hey, Mr. T. What's up? Hey, Samson. You ready for dinner? It's dinner time. Yeah. Oh, the bachelors are gathering. Ooh. Rob is in the feed room and he has got his system down every evening when he gets out to feed the animals. Got your system down?
Yeah. Smell bad.
Or the beet, shredded beet pulp. That's for Penny.
All right. Figure out the starter.
Rob is prepping what I like to call our farm food truck. Now when that yard tractor starts up, everybody on the farm's ears perk up because they know it's dinner time. The pigs start salivating, the chickens start clucking, the horse is all at the fence, the goats are neighing.
Oh, awesome.
Because they know it's
That for the
dinner
goats?
time.
Yeah.
Look at you, bad boy. It's the food cart.
I'm gonna take some starter out there for him.
Okay.
Just leave it out there. Tell her to take care of
Over the hustle and bustle, you can hear the pigs out there screaming for supper. Did you put alfalfa in Penny's?
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course you did.
These are what I like to call our bachelors.
Look at
These are the
Amelia and
roosters that we
Abigail.
kicked out of the hen house. And they're out there. Well, and
So
also
pretty.
the geese have joined them. But most of these guys are bachelors. Oh, Amelia, don't you look beautiful tonight? So we're here to feed schnitzel, pork chop, and bacon first. Here, pick, 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 pick. Pick, 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 pick. Hey, big boys. These guys are ready to butcher in about, I guess in like 2 months, but we do have one pig that doesn't look like he was quite castrated, so we're actually going to have him butchered like a month earlier than we thought. Yeah, that's bad news. And here comes their slop. They're going to be so happy.
Here.
Now these are some happy
that smell.
pigs. I mean bacon seeds.
Y'all eat like pigs.
Yeah, look at where they did make a mud puddle over here. In that center area where it runs off.
Yeah.
Look at that. Come on, Bernard. Bernard, come on. You can see the difference where the pigs were and where they weren't over there. Come on, Bernard. Let's go. Okay, the next stop are the goats, Penny, Samson, and Cluckingham Palace. All the animals follow the feed truck. Look at those ducks. I can't get over how they've cleaned all this out. All the poison ivy's gone. Good goats. These are Daisy's twins, Thule and Daffy. They're growing up. Looks like our queen, Penny, got her dinner. Now it's Samson's turn.
Chicks.
Hey, Samson. Don't slip. Samson butt. That's Dad's got yours. Does the turkey eat with him now?
He's just over there.
Mr. T looks like he's wanting to get some of his dinner.
Yeah.
Come on out, Mr. T. It is real bad. It's like your shoes off your feet. We've had several good days of some heavy rain, which we desperately needed. But now we have a mud pit to contend with right here. For some reason, all the water came down the hill and backed up in the chicken coop. Well, now we have exactly 10 because we lost one. We did have 11. Rob is feeding some of our new baby chicks out there. I can't wait for them to grow up and get big. Hey, mamas. When y'all gonna grow your feathers back? 3 broody hens. Hey, babies.
Hey, baby chicks.
Well, I've never have to wash his mouth out with soap. But while Rob handles the snake situation, I am going to head out to the field and feed our egg layers out here. These girls are greening up our pasture. Oh, and that pup right there, that is my grand dog, Bernard. We're babysitting this weekend. But look how beautiful and green it is. These girls lay about 8 to 10 eggs a day. Woo! Come on, ladies and gentlemen. I've been working really hard getting my flowers planted around the pool and around the yard. And I absolutely love gardenias. They smell so good. I wish you had smell-o-vision. Gardenias are my favorite flower. For some reason, the elephant ears love being by the pool, and they explode in the summertime. And this is my echinacea. my purple cone flowers. I love them. But look at these elephant ears. Another coneflower and some lavender for me to plant. A quick little garden tour here of our garden to see what's up. But this is what's growing in our garden today. Oops, I'm sorry. Rob has asked me where I left the feed bucket. And I left it out in the pasture. Oops.
Jumped.
This is my Romanesca broccoli, which hasn't come to head yet, but they are huge. How are we supposed to eat y'all? I don't even know. It's the biggest broccoli plants I've ever seen. Oh well. Here are my happy cucumbers, and they're working their way up the trellis. Oh, I can't wait to see these guys. But look, they're covered in bloom, so we're going to have cucumbers really soon. My raspberries are looking good. Moon and Star watermelons. And this is the old potato patch. I'm just putting in the orphans here. Squashes. The beautiful tomato bed. And this is our serrano peppers, and it's already covered in peppers. In this bed, I have planted crookneck squash. I can't say that. Say that a couple times fast. But look, it's covered in blossoms. Oh, I love squash. And here I have planted thyme. And we've got some beautiful dill and basil and sage and just all kinds of goodies. Oh, and this is my herb garden. Look at all the beautiful dill and lavender and basil. Blackberries, baby! I love blackberries, and look at them, they're looking so good. I mulched these with a bunch of hay last week because the highway grass just loves to shoot up around it. But they love it when you have it all mulched with hay. They are happy blackberries now. I want you to take a look at my blueberry bushes. They are just hanging in blueberries. Ooh, I cannot wait to make blueberry pie, blueberry preserves, blueberry cobbler, blueberry jam. Ooh, all the things I could eat with. Oh, blueberry smoothies. And more peppers. This is my little pepper row. I don't do hot peppers, but my husband loves them. These are banana peppers. Hopefully they're sweet, not hot. Looks like it's the summer of hot sauce. Hello, okra. We love ourselves some roasted okra around here. Oh, and okra pickles. God, I love okra pickles. And more maters. These are my sweet little maters. Bite-sized, delicious maters. more maters, and cucumbers. Look at the blossoms. Oh, and look at that cucumber. What? Pickles, people. I love them. Speaking of pickles, we could have dilly beans. Oh, y'all hurry up and grow up so I could have some dilly beans. More tomatoes. Green beans. You're starting to grow up that trellis there. More tomatoes. Look at that tomato. Whew. Back at the house, I started dinner, and these are some vegetables from our garden. The potatoes, the purple potatoes, and I'm going to do I'm going to roast them along with one of our chickens that we butchered like a few weeks ago. So what's for dinner at your house? Thanks for joining us today on our little adventure, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!